Good evening, I'm Giovanni Ruocco, student of Master in Engineering Computer Science in Sapienza. As a second assignment of IoT 2020 course, I used RIOT-OS to build an app that simulates a virtual station and send telemetries to Thingsboard using MQTT-SN protocol. In this video, I'm not going to show everything, but all the main features. The guide is available on my GitHub repository. Okay, let's see how does it work. First of all, let's open the two files that allows us to create a bridge between RIOT-OS and Thingsboard. Here we put the broker name, that in our case is localhost, and the broker port. The UDP6 section is very important because we have the address to the tap bridge interface. With this configuration file we can link Thingsboard to the Mosquito broker. This is the .c file created using RIOT-OS. This is the pub function, in which I have a loop to send data with no interactions. I created 5 random values for the telemetries of the first station. I stored all these values in a char array that I'll send to the topic. After the while loop, I have a sleep, to send data every 10 seconds. At the same way, I created a file for the second device. Now we can test our new architecture. Let's open the gateway, the bridge. Let's run the .c file for the devices. Now let's configure our interfaces. Okay. Now we can connect. On the gateway we can see that the two stations are connected. Now let's publish on this topic. If we take a look to Thingsboard, we can see that the two stations are sending the values to the broker every 10 seconds. As the same way of the previous video, I showed the telemetries on my web page. This is the HTML file. Here I pasted the gateway ID. In that if, I check if the telemetry comes from the first or the second device. These are the telemetries of the previous video. Okay. And if I click on update, I can see all the values sending from the virtual station built with RIOT-OS. If I right-click, I can see the updated values. Okay, that's all. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.